Hey there, it's Anna with WTI, and I love this cutie little bath mat from SHIYUE.
This is the softest bath mat. It is so plush and thick. I am in love with the material that this is made out of. It is so incredibly soft to the touch, but it is also ultra absorbent as well as being on a very great non-skid padding. So you don't have to worry about your floor getting wet or having any slipping with the mat when you go to step on it. I love these beautiful green flowers, and I think it is just the perfect thing. It was the exact right size that I needed for in front of this sink, and I love it.
Not only does it just look beautiful, but it is so functional. I love the way it feels and looks. It really complements my bathroom, and I am so happy with it. And that's my point of view.